But now, of course, we are in election season with just one phase to go, and after Jammu and Kashmir witnessed a record increase in voting percentage in the Lok Sabha elections at this point, with the Baramulla constituency, especially polling figures breaking a 35-year-old voter turnout record, Union Minister, Home Affairs Minister Amit Shah has vowed that assembly elections in the state will be held before the 30th of September. He added that with the Lok Sabha elections out of the way, assembly elections will be completed before the Supreme Court deadline of September 30 this year. Amit Shah also claimed that the Prime Minister's J&K policy has been vindicated by the successful polling in Jammu and Kashmir, where even separatists have voted overwhelmingly. Now, this comes after, as we told you, Baramulla's parliamentary constituency polling figures broke a 35-year-old voter turnout record. The constituency seat recorded the highest polling percentage of 54.21 in phase 5 of the elections, breaking the record of the previous two elections held in the region.
Assembly elections are on the cards, and very soon they are going to be held in Jammu and Kashmir, rightly said by our Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji, because he has delivered whatever he has promised to the people of Jammu and Kashmir from the parliament. So very soon these elections are on the card. I know it is painful for certain political parties, dynastical political parties over here, but this is what was promised to the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
प्रकार से आज एक इंटरव्यू में ये साफ किया है कि 30 सितंबर डेडलाइन है जम्मू कश्मीर में सरकार बनाने की। भारतीय जनता पार्टी पहले से ही लोकतंत्र के प्रति प्रतिबद्ध है। पूरे देश में लोकल बॉडीज़ की पंचायतों के 13 बार इलेक्शन हो गए, लेकिन जो सरकारें रही उन्होंने 4-4 बार सिर्फ इलेक्शन करवाए। तो अब स्वाभाविक बात है कि डिलिमिटेशन ज़रूरी थी, डिलिमिटेशन करवाई गई और अब जल्द से इलेक्शन करवाए जाएंगे। किन्हीं कारणों से ये ज़रूरी था कि वहाँ पर राष्ट्रपति राज जो गवर्नर रूल लगता, तो अब वो समाप्त हो गया है और लोगों को अपनी लोकतांत्रिक सरकार यहाँ पर मिलेगी।